So, for today's presentation, we have got it on Hoffman elimination. So if you just pull up the mechanism for this Hoffman elimination here, you can easily see it. And so this Hoffman elimination is a process when amine is reacted to create a tertiary amine, here, there, and an alkene there, also known as a Hoffman product. This is done by treatment of excess methyl iodide, as you can see here, and then later on followed by treatment of sulfur oxide, water, and then in general heat. It's just a regular SN2 reaction throughout, and you want to make the amine a very good leaving group, because this here with the lone pair of electrons, the NH2, it's a very, very bad leaving group because it's very, very basic. So through excess methylation here, you can make it a very good leaving group. So going through it, goes from the primary to a secondary, and then so on. So obviously you'll have methyl iodide there, reacts with the NH2, and so now the methyl group is on there. You can just easily now get rid of the proton, but this still has the lone pair of electrons, so it's not as good as a leaving group as it could be. So you just simply methylate it again. So just use the same thing, CH3 methyl iodide, and now the methyl group has two methyl groups on it, but still again has the lone pair of electrons. So excess methylation again, and now it has three methyl groups and the positive charge. Now this positive charge is important because it makes it now a very good leaving group. So off it goes, and now you end up with a Hoffman product and our tertiary amine there. So uses for the Hoffman elimination. It's mainly used for to make anesthetic drugs, so to get rid of amines on certain compounds to make these drugs, so atracurium, cis-atracurium, and Nimbex, and then they're just used for anesthesia. So let's talk about the guy behind it all, August Wilhelm von Hoffmann. There's a lovely picture of him there. So he was born April 8th, 1818, and he sadly died May 2nd, 1892. Like many other things, he discovered formaldehyde, hydrazobenzene, the isonitriles, and with August Gahor's allyl alcohol. The Hoffman reaction was named after this method of converting an amide into an amine, and he created his own school of chemists who were interested primarily in experimental organic chemistry and the industrial applications of chemistry rather than in theoretical problems. And so that comes us to the end of the presentation. Thank you so much for listening.